Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and let me tell you, Cybertruck customization has not slowed down at all. And today, I have another one-of-a-kind Cybertruck to share with you with so many things that we did to the interior and the exterior. So let's jump right into it. As you can see, this customer chose to go with our very special hyper gloss black monochromatic program, starting off with wrapping all the exterior stainless steel panels using T-Max hyper gloss black color change PPF film, having us smooth out all the texture and paint the front and rear wheel arches, the side rocker panels, the side mirror caps, getting rid of that lower quality visual of plastic, textured plastic. And typically, as we've done in the past, we would go ahead and also do the front and rear bumpers. But in this case, this customer not only chose our very popular CTX steel bumpers, he had us go ahead and refinish them in gloss black powder coat. So this is truly a one of a kind for us. It looks super cool. As you can see, these bumpers are extremely functional. Not only do they offer the ability to go ahead and add fog lights and different types of lighting, but in some cases, we can also offer you a full-on winch assembly that goes right over there for those of you that want to go ahead and enjoy that off-road. Now, as we move to the rear of the Cybertruck and you take a look at the CTX bumper there, that's a really nice design as well, extremely durable, and has these really cool design cutouts if you want to go ahead and add some additional LED reverse lighting. So that's a super good look as well. Now, let's move on to the roof. This particular Cybertruck is not a cyber beast. However, he still wanted to go ahead and have the best off-road roof-mounted lighting bar system, and this is our dual row system. It comes in a single row. This is the dual row for double the brightness. You control it on and off from the actual screen inside the car. Plugs right into the Tesla wiring. Looks great. Again, very functional. Back to the wheels, back to the triple monochromatic program. 24-inch gloss black CTM wheels, my ultimate favorite. That's the wheel of choice. Now let's move to the inside. So as you can see, we reupholstered the 5 interior decor pieces, the lower dash and the 4-door inserts, which came originally in tactical gray from Tesla in a brand new cement color material. And then we went ahead, and this is what I'm really excited to share with you guys about, is we reupholstered the front and rear seats using the cement leather and bone leather accents on the bolsters. The inserts of the seats are perforated, of course, because you still want full functionality of your cooling and heating elements. But then we went ahead and did this really cool cyber quilt design as well. So this interior, truly one of a kind. Super happy to share it with you guys. To finish it all off, some more accessories. Rear view mirror monitor, swivel screen option now for the main Tesla screen, right and left side MagSafe phone mounts, and an extra charging dock hub right underneath the center armrest to give you additional charging capabilities. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our YouTube content, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel because I have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.